This is Telangana 10th class English question paper of March 2025. This paper is shared by Ram, Renu Shankar and Cherishma. Thank you each one of you for sharing your papers with us. You can also share your question papers at our mail ID thoughtsquestionbank@gmail.com along with your name and place. We will upload those papers also. Check the comment section. You will find links to Telangana 10th class, all subjects previous year question papers. Thank you Ram, Renu Shankar and Cherishma for sharing your papers with us. Please do share your question papers at our mail ID thoughtsquestionbank@gmail.com along with your name and place. Let's meet in another video. Until then, bye.